My name is Ladan Abbasi. I'm a nurse practitioner. I started doing some vascular treatment along with aesthetic in 2004. My practice with Dr. Glenn Tonneson is in Clinton, New Jersey. I'm a consultant for American Cardiophlebology. I do a lot of vascular training too. I got online a few years ago. Otherwise, I was just getting trained with different facility to just do some Botox fillers, laser treatments, all that, but I wanted something bigger. So I was actually Googling to see if I can just find something that actually more professional, more advanced, and I saw the Empire Medical Training. I've been taking some of the courses with Empire Medical Training for the last about 7 months, I have to say. It's been one of the most amazing experience I had in the field, field of cosmetic. And I'm very happy that I just went online and just Googled this, and I met a lot of nice people. The service is great. All these instructors that they have, one of the best one, of course, I just came across to meet this weekend, especially close to holiday. That was my Christmas gift, I have to say. Dr. Roman, he's phenomenal instructor. I never had somebody as great and knowledgeable as he is. And of course, along with this, we got a big surprise last night. We met a few celebrity physicians from different area of the country. Dr. Shino Bay, was like the boy so he's one of the best, most humble dermatologists I've ever known now, I have to say, and Dr. Jason Emmer. So I just am honored to have know them now. I could just get close with them and take pictures and just know how the experience in their own practices or very successful people. They didn't mind to share all the information with us. It was one of the best nights ever before Christmas. So I'm thanking Empire Medical Training for all these services they have.